welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another easy nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll get my nail and come in with my cafe latte nail shade. I'll go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Next, I'll put some lilac paint at the tip. Lilac is still wet, I'll come in with more cafe latte at the bottom part. So with a very fine brush, I will work my way around the gradients to prevent that very sharp gradient. Going for the ombre effect, so I want the colors to descend in each other gently. But I'll just go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. I'll coat it with a glossy top coat. And I'll come in with some silver chrome powder. Finally, I'll seal it off with a glossy top coat. For another interesting ombre nail art. I hope I did help you and I hope you're going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.